come to my channel, SNAZZY Blue Way. Today we are learning to self-care. You have come to the right place. I am all about self-care. Just look around. Self-care is many things, but self-care is taking care of you. We will need to know, what makes you happy? What changes do you want to change? Are you sad? Are you happy? What do you want to change in your life today that will make you happy? Well, we may not get to all these things in one day. However, you came to me for help, and I am here for you. We are now friends. I want you to start with this video today. Even if you only do one thing on here today, it's a start. Welcome, let's get started.
Self-care for your skin routine can be as little as 3 products or 10 products. I say keep it basic until you get more information on your skin type. Number 1, cleanse, number 2, moisturize, and number 3, apply a sunscreen. Again, you can modify later to suit your needs. Some wear makeup and some don't, so that plays a factor also. Meditation is self-care and self-love. 1. Find a nice quiet place to sit and close your eyes. Some people lay down, it is up to you and you comfort zone. 2. Take a nice deep breath. 3. And breath out easy and slowly. 4. Continue until you feel calm and centered. 5. Pay attention to your thoughts and feeling to feel more content and loving toward yourself. Imagine emotions as comforting raindrops or soft clouds. Self-care, proper hydration is key to maintaining healthy, glowing skin. Lemon water provides hydration while also giving your body essential nutrients. Plus, by staying hydrated, you will be helping your skin retain moisture, giving you smoother skin and more supple complexion in time. We need to start out with a great aerobic cardio exercise like running or walking, swimming, even riding a bike. This can help improve bone density. It gets your blood pumping and gives us a boost of energy. You will feel great.